Hey everybody, it's Fred here from Detail Guard. Today we're at DC Taylor Jewelers in Barrie, Ontario, installing our high security grade window film to protect and enhance against smash and grabs, break-ins, and vandalism and forced entry. Now let's hear from David to see why he chose security film and how his experience went.
Hello, my name is David Taylor. I'm manager and owner here at DC Taylor Jewelers. We're a family-owned business celebrating 130 years this year, and we take security very seriously. As a corporate team, we've noticed a concerning trend with both the frequency and the severity of robberies occurring both, locally and nationally. And we felt that the safety of our staff and our clients are of utmost priority, so that's what kind of influenced our decision to move with Detail Guard. And it's just one of the steps that we've taken. Working with Detail Guard has been amazing. Fred was a stand-up guy. He's given very honest quotes. We felt that he understood our concerns more than anyone else, and he's been here on time, staying late, getting the job done. It's been amazing working with him. Now that our storefront is protected, we feel much safer. As I mentioned, this is just one of the steps that we've taken to make everyone coming into our store feel more secure. So we are very happy that we installed Detail Guard.
Without further ado, let's jump into the process. So the first step in installing security film in an industrial location is to remove the rubber seals. This is necessary for aluminum frames in order to properly install the film. The second step is surface preparation, cleaning the glass for a perfect adhesion. Next, we have the actual film application. All of our film comes pre-cut, made to measure for your project. What we do is we apply the film using our slip solution and distilled water. Next, we have the squeegeeing of the film itself. This part is very important in making sure that the film adheres to the glass surface, ensuring no bubbles, and making sure that the film is secured to the edges of the window. For this particular installation, we then have to seal off the edges using our IPA, which is an impact protective adhesion. This is a particularly important step since if anything was to happen at the store, this ensures that the shock resistance of the window itself can provide the maximum efficiency. So once our IPA is all dried and set, this storefront is now protected with our staple 14mm security film, providing protection against theft, forced entry, and break-ins. If you're looking for a way to protect your storefront and to protect what matters most, you can reach out to us at detailguard.ca to book a consultation. You can also give us a call at 905-330-3003. Thank you guys all for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. Take care.